YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the handbag housewife. And I'm back from vacation, and what did I find when I came in through the door? But 2 boxes on my porch. They just arrived today. I had all of my mail and my packages held. And so I am super excited to do a double unboxing for my return celebration. And so I'm going to start with the smaller one first. This one, let's see, where did this one come from? This one came from the seller that I bought the green snake Longchamp, as well as the platinum Longchamp extra small. So without further ado, I should probably smile and do a little screenshot thing. Let me pick this back up again. Okay. All right. Let's get this done right. Okay, I'm gonna look so happy. Okay, surely that did it. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna rip this bad boy open. They make it so easy to get into the bottom at Vestiaire Collective. This one isn't packaged quite as beautifully as the last one that I got, but it's in the dust bag. And like I said, I know the seller. So here we go. I'm gonna like it. Okay, here we go. I'm going slow for the effect. The drama, the suspense, it's killing me. What is this? It is secured and I cannot get it out. It is coming out. There we go. They put the control tag, which I'm not supposed to remove until I'm keeping it, on the actual dust bag. That makes no sense. But look at her. Yay! Now this is different. Let me do a little spin for you. This is the Autumn Beckman spin. Slow, steady, so you can examine all of the beautiful details of this Longchamp extra small top handle tote, queer, meaning leather, in mock croc. They do the best mock croc, I'm telling you, with a beautiful burgundy interior. And it does come with the care card. Voila! And unlike the last one, I do get the studded strap, which is done in an ivory smooth leather, and I actually think it might possibly look good with my black one that came missing the strap. We'll have to check that out here in just a minute. But anyway, there she is. Yay! I love her. I haven't sniffed her yet. Smells like leather, smells new, and smells like leather. Can't ask for more. All right, that's number 1. I need my tool for this one. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, whoever sent me this one, whoever could it be, wrapped it extremely well. And let me tell you, I've gotten a package from this individual before. He works at the Longchamp outlet in Chicago, and I've referred some of you to him. If you want his number, his text number, his cell phone number, just send me a message and I will send it to you. But look, I mean, already, look at this packaging. Oh my goodness, it's like so well protected. And I got the gorgeous, fantastic, wonderful red shopping bag. Look at this. This is pretty. He sent me the white one before, and I've kept it to use in pictures when I am showing some of these new bags because it's such a pretty backdrop. So when I bought this, he told me if I can find a red one, I'm gonna send it your way. So here I am trying to unwrap it before I even get it out of the package because I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. You ready? I've seen this one before, but never in person. It kind of sticks to the dust bag. What? Look at it. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, it's so good. It's so much better than I thought. Hello, look at it. Look at the patent leather and the sequins. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna start at the front. Autumn Beckman spin. Do, 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 do. This ear kind of goes down. Do, 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 do. Let me unwrap the strap. I'm not really sure what kind of strap this comes with. I've seen it open before. You would think I would remember. It comes with a non-adjustable crossbody strap, which will hit me very high, but why not try it on just for shits and giggles? Pardon my French. I'm gonna give this baby a try. Okay, so look, it is high. Let me step back here. It is high, but it looks cute. And this is not the outfit I would wear it with, but my golly, this bag looks good no matter what you put it with. All right, so this is the Longchamp extra small top handle. I've got hair in my eyes and my mouth. Longchamp extra small top handle tote in sequins with patent leather, black trim, and silver hardware. And I will be putting this with one of my silver straps. Now, last but not least, I'm gonna go grab the black one. Hang on. I'm gonna go grab this one, which was missing its strap. I wanna see what it looks like with the white. I am getting so hot. I put on this sweater just for you guys. I'm ready to get sweats on, but okay. I don't know what I think about that. I mean, it does kind of go because of the white on the snake. I think I'll probably just use it with a silver strap like I'd planned, but if I ever wanted to switch it up, the white is smooth leather and the black is smooth leather, and then it's got the white and the snake embossed part. So I really think it works. And then when I get all these little plastic bits off of the studs, it'll shine a little bit more, give it a little bit more bling. Anyway, let me hold up my two new beauties. I am so excited to be back, guys. I missed home. I missed my purses. I had a great vacation. We did a ton. I'm exhausted. My legs hurt. My feet hurt. Everything kind of hurts. But we get to have a snow day tomorrow. So we get to sleep in and relax and slowly unpack. And so I'm happy. I'm happy to be home. Happy to have a day off tomorrow. And I hope all of you are doing great. And if you like this content, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Handbag Housewife. Take care.